Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to order in Nike app. First, we go to our Nike app, and then after that, we choose on what to choose to buy. So for example, we click this all shoes and we keep in scrolling like that. For example, we like this one. So yeah, we're going to add to bag it, and after that we go to this bag icon in the upper right of your screen, and then yeah, you will we should check out this if you want to buy it. So that's all. You're all set.